Welcome to Coloring Stars. Hello, little artists. Today we are going to draw and color a very special underwater friend. It's a seahorse. I draw its head. Now I draw its body. Did you know? Seahorses are fish, but they don't look like normal fish. They have curly tails and long noses. So cool. Seahorses live in the ocean. Look, I draw seaweeds. Let's color now. Orange for the body. Seahorse is watching our coloring. I'm going to color the seahorse's tummy with rainbow colors. Red, orange, yellow, light green, green, blue, purple, pink, yellow, orange, red, pink, light green, green, light blue for water background. Great job, my little artists. You are doing amazing. I love drawing and coloring. Do you love drawing too? See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.